interesting to learn more about the concrete solution. So, what I hear you say is that on the, let's say, the general financial system, a larger transformation is on its way,
Yeah.
and that there are opportunities for SMEs, individual SMEs as well, to actually move into that, let's say, more sustainable space to
Yeah,
finance that transition.
exactly. I mean, for instance, if the central banks and the regulators are starting to uh, include the green dimension into, for instance, the capital requirements of banks, that would mean that it would become cheaper to give a loan to green projects and investments than to brown ones. Um, if that's the case, you know, banks will be incentivized to
Of course.
give, you know, to prefer to give loans to those companies that are, you know, doing this type of investments, and less to the other ones. So there's a kind of indirect way to trigger, let's say, this market. And this is a debate that is ongoing. We know that the European Central Bank is today looking into this climate dimension. Um, and I expect in the course of 2021 a number of proposals in this regard. And if that's the case, for instance, green mortgages could be developed, meaning but also for individuals. But I think the same could apply to companies who are investing um, in energy efficiency, for instance, will get you know a lower interest rate, for instance. Also because they are less risky, because they know that people who invest in more efficient houses or company that invest in more efficient, you know, business environments, uh, actually are more reliable partners.